Why did my hair bend? Okay. So, this is my favorite part of the barbecue, guys. Triple layer chocolate.
تحيرك تغيرك تخليك ترجع العمر اللي فات وتعيشه تاني منورة وسكرة توديك دنيا تانية تلفها وتيجي في ثواني تحيرك تغيرك تخليك ترجع العمر اللي فات وتعيشه تاني منورة وسكرة توديك دنيا تانية تلفها وتيجي في ثواني بالنسبة لي جنة فتح بابها بعمل قطر جابها ولازمني أستنى.
Okay, this is really random. I haven't done this for a while. This is a tuner, by the way. I use this to make sure the strings are on the correct notes or keys, I don't know. E, A, D, G, B, E. It sounds perfect, so. I've been searching all my life for the one that I can't find. I've been searching all my life. Mama told me don't talk about it. It's alright, it's alright, it's alright, it's alright, yeah. Ooh, ooh, yeah, yeah. Oh, oh, yeah. It's kinda random. Don't talk about it, that's what Mama said. Don't talk about it, Mama said. What's meant for you, come along. The right time, the right time, the right place, yeah. Tired of waiting, told you Mama I can't do this on my own. Need your love from me, sometimes I feel alone. I question, do I wanna be on my own, on my own, on my own, yeah. I feel sometimes I'm ready to settle down, ready to move along, ready to get married. Feeling so confused, so confused, yeah, yeah. You know, I think I should stop. I don't really want to talk about this, but it's okay, it's alright. It's a lullaby, yeah. Never mind, guys. I don't know, I just kind of stopped there. It was just a random improvisation, and I'm gonna probably head to bed now and hopefully practice more, but sometimes I just do these random bits and pieces, and yeah. I'm gonna go to bed now. I hope you guys enjoyed today, and I'll see you guys soon. Lolos out.